To click.
Click on the link to open it. Click on the link to open it. She clicked the button. She clicked the button. Click here to continue. Click here to continue.
To type.
Type your password here. Type your password here. He typed the message quickly. He typed the message quickly. I need to type this document. I need to type this document.
To search.
Search for information online. Search for information online. She searched for a recipe. She searched for a recipe. Search the web for answers. Search the web for answers.
To browse.
I like to browse the internet. I like to browse the internet. She browsed through the website. She browsed through the website. They browsed online stores. They browsed online stores.
To scroll.
Scroll down to see more content. Scroll down to see more content. She scrolled through the page. She scrolled through the page. Scroll up to the top. Scroll up to the top.
To download.
Download the file to your computer. Download the file to your computer. She downloaded the app. She downloaded the app. I'm downloading a video. I'm downloading a video.
To upload.
Upload your photo to the website. Upload your photo to the website. He uploaded the document. He uploaded the document. They're uploading files to the cloud. They're uploading files to the cloud.
To open.
Open a new browser window. Open a new browser window. She opened the file. She opened the file. Open the application. Open the application.
To close.
Close the tab when you're done. Close the tab when you're done. He closed the program. He closed the program. Close all windows. Close all windows.
To save.
Save your work frequently. Save your work frequently. She saved the document. She saved the document. Don't forget to save the file. Don't forget to save the file.
To delete.
Delete the unwanted files. Delete the unwanted files. He deleted the email. He deleted the email. Delete this folder. Delete this folder.
To copy.
Copy the text and paste it here. Copy the text and paste it here. She copied the link. She copied the link. Copy this file to another folder. Copy this file to another folder.
To paste.
Paste the text into the document. Paste the text into the document. He pasted the image. He pasted the image. Paste it here. Paste it here.
To cut.
Cut the selected text. Cut the selected text. She cut the paragraph. She cut the paragraph. Cut and paste the content. Cut and paste the content.
To select.
Select all the text. Select all the text. He selected multiple files. He selected multiple files. Select the option you want. Select the option you want.
To drag.
Drag the file to the folder. Drag the file to the folder. She dragged the icon to the desktop. She dragged the icon to the desktop. Drag and drop the image. Drag and drop the image.
To drop.
Drop the file here. Drop the file here. He dropped the folder into the trash. He dropped the folder into the trash. Drop it in the upload area. Drop it in the upload area.
To refresh.
Refresh the page to see updates. Refresh the page to see updates. She refreshed the browser. She refreshed the browser. Refresh your email inbox. Refresh your email inbox.
To reload.
Reload the web page. Reload the web page. He reloaded the page. He reloaded the page. Reload to see the changes. Reload to see the changes.
To bookmark.
Bookmark this page for later. Bookmark this page for later. She bookmarked the website. She bookmarked the website. Bookmark your favorite sites. Bookmark your favorite sites.
To share.
Share this link with your friends. Share this link with your friends. He shared the video on social media. He shared the video on social media. Share the document with the team. Share the document with the team.
To print.
Print the document. Print the document. She printed the email. She printed the email. Print this page. Print this page.
To zoom.
Zoom in to see the details. Zoom in to see the details. He zoomed out to see the whole page. He zoomed out to see the whole page. Zoom to 100%. Zoom to 100%.
To navigate.
Navigate to the home page. Navigate to the home page. She navigated through the menu. She navigated through the menu. Navigate using the back button. Navigate using the back button.
To log in.
Log in to your account. Log in to your account. She logged in to the website. She logged in to the website. Log in with your username and password. Log in with your username and password.
Computer.
I use my computer every day. I use my computer every day. The computer is running slowly. The computer is running slowly. Turn on the computer. Turn on the computer.
Laptop.
She works on her laptop. She works on her laptop. The laptop battery is low. The laptop battery is low. I need to charge my laptop. I need to charge my laptop.
Keyboard.
Type on the keyboard. Type on the keyboard. The keyboard has sticky keys. The keyboard has sticky keys. Clean your keyboard regularly. Clean your keyboard regularly.
Mouse.
Move the mouse to click. Move the mouse to click. The mouse isn't working. The mouse isn't working. Use the mouse to select items. Use the mouse to select items.
Monitor.
The monitor displays the image. The monitor displays the image. She has 2 monitors on her desk. She has 2 monitors on her desk. Adjust the monitor brightness. Adjust the monitor brightness.
Screen.
Look at the screen. Look at the screen. The screen is too bright. The screen is too bright. Clean the screen with a soft cloth. Clean the screen with a soft cloth.
Website.
Visit this website for more information. Visit this website for more information. The website is down. The website is down. This is a great website. This is a great website.
Webpage.
Open a new webpage. Open a new webpage. She bookmarked the webpage. She bookmarked the webpage. The webpage loaded slowly. The webpage loaded slowly.
Browser.
Open your web browser. Open your web browser. Which browser do you use? Which browser do you use? The browser crashed. The browser crashed.
Tab.
Open a new tab. Open a new tab. She has too many tabs open. She has too many tabs open. Close the tab when done. Close the tab when done.
Link.
Click on the link. Click on the link. The link is broken. The link is broken. Share this link with others. Share this link with others.
URL.
Enter the URL in the address bar. Enter the URL in the address bar. Copy the URL from here. Copy the URL from here. The URL is too long. The URL is too long.
Address bar.
Type the website in the address bar. Type the website in the address bar. The address bar shows the current URL. The address bar shows the current URL. Click in the address bar to enter a new address. Click in the address bar to enter a new address.
Search engine.
Use a search engine to find information. Use a search engine to find information. Google is a popular search engine. Google is a popular search engine. The search engine returned many results. The search engine returned many results.
Password.
Enter your password. Enter your password. She forgot her password. She forgot her password. Create a strong password. Create a strong password.
Username.
Enter your username. Enter your username. He forgot his username. He forgot his username. Choose a unique username. Choose a unique username.
Email.
Check your email. Check your email. She sent an email to her boss. She sent an email to her boss. I received an email this morning. I received an email this morning.
File.
Save the file to your computer. Save the file to your computer. The file is too large. The file is too large. Open the file with this program. Open the file with this program.
Folder.
Create a new folder. Create a new folder. The folder contains many files. The folder contains many files. Move the file to another folder. Move the file to another folder.
Internet.
The internet connection is slow. The internet connection is slow. She needs the internet to work. She needs the internet to work. Check your internet connection. Check your internet connection.
Wi-Fi.
Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi password is on the router. The Wi-Fi password is on the router. The Wi-Fi signal is weak here. The Wi-Fi signal is weak here.
Icon.
Click on the icon to open the app. Click on the icon to open the app. The icon is on the desktop. The icon is on the desktop. Double-click the icon. Double-click the icon.
Button.
Click the button to submit. Click the button to submit. The button is not working. The button is not working. Press the button to continue. Press the button to continue.
Menu.
Open the menu to see options. Open the menu to see options. The menu is at the top of the screen. The menu is at the top of the screen. Select an option from the menu. Select an option from the menu.
Window.
Open a new window. Open a new window. Close the window when you're done. Close the window when you're done. Minimize the window. Minimize the window.
History.
Check your browsing history. Check your browsing history. Clear your history to protect privacy. Clear your history to protect privacy. The history shows all visited sites. The history shows all visited sites.
Cache.
Clear the cache to fix the problem. Clear the cache to fix the problem. The cache stores temporary files. The cache stores temporary files. Empty your browser cache. Empty your browser cache.
Cookies.
The website uses cookies. The website uses cookies. Accept or reject cookies. Accept or reject cookies. Clear your cookies regularly. Clear your cookies regularly.
To install.
Install the software on your computer. Install the software on your computer. She installed a new app. She installed a new app. Install the updates when ready. Install the updates when ready.
To uninstall.
Uninstall the program you don't use. Uninstall the program you don't use. He uninstalled the application. He uninstalled the application. Uninstall to free up space. Uninstall to free up space.
To update.
Update your operating system. Update your operating system. She updated the browser. She updated the browser. Update the software regularly. Update the software regularly.
To upgrade.
Upgrade to the latest version. Upgrade to the latest version. He upgraded his computer. He upgraded his computer. Upgrade your plan for more features. Upgrade your plan for more features.
To format.
Format the USB drive. Format the USB drive. She formatted the hard drive. She formatted the hard drive. Format the disk before using it. Format the disk before using it.
To compress.
Compress the files into a zip folder. Compress the files into a zip folder. He compressed the images. He compressed the images. Compress to reduce file size. Compress to reduce file size.
To extract.
Extract the files from the archive. Extract the files from the archive. She extracted the zip file. She extracted the zip file. Extract all files to this folder. Extract all files to this folder.
To backup.
Backup your important files. Backup your important files. He backed up his data. He backed up his data. Backup regularly to avoid data loss. Backup regularly to avoid data loss.
To restore.
Restore the file from backup. Restore the file from backup. She restored her computer settings. She restored her computer settings. Restore the previous version. Restore the previous version.
To sync.
Sync your files to the cloud. Sync your files to the cloud. He synced his devices. He synced his devices. Sync your data across all devices. Sync your data across all devices.
To stream.
Stream videos online. Stream videos online. She streamed the movie. She streamed the movie. Stream music from the internet. Stream music from the internet.
To pause.
Pause the video. Pause the video. She paused the download. She paused the download. Pause to take a break. Pause to take a break.
To play.
Play the video. Play the video. He played the audio file. He played the audio file. Play the music. Play the music.
To mute.
Mute the sound. Mute the sound. She muted her microphone. She muted her microphone. Mute the video during the call. Mute the video during the call.
To minimize.
Minimize the window. Minimize the window. She minimized all windows. She minimized all windows. Minimize to see the desktop. Minimize to see the desktop.
To maximize.
Maximize the window. Maximize the window. He maximized the browser. He maximized the browser. Maximize to see more content. Maximize to see more content.
To enable.
Enable notifications. Enable notifications. She enabled cookies. She enabled cookies. Enable this feature in settings. Enable this feature in settings.
To disable.
Disable pop-ups. Disable pop-ups. He disabled the firewall. He disabled the firewall. Disable this option. Disable this option.
To configure.
Configure your email settings. Configure your email settings. She configured the network. She configured the network. Configure the browser preferences. Configure the browser preferences.
To connect.
Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. He connected the printer. He connected the printer. Connect your device to the computer. Connect your device to the computer.
To subscribe.
Subscribe to the newsletter. Subscribe to the newsletter. He subscribed to the channel. He subscribed to the channel. Subscribe for updates. Subscribe for updates.
To forward.
Forward the email to your colleague. Forward the email to your colleague. He forwarded the message. He forwarded the message. Forward this link to your friends. Forward this link to your friends.
To reply.
Reply to the email. Reply to the email. She replied to the message. She replied to the message. Reply all to include everyone. Reply all to include everyone.
To attach.
Attach a file to the email. Attach a file to the email. He attached the document. He attached the document. Attach your resume to the application. Attach your resume to the application.
To block.
Block unwanted emails. Block unwanted emails. She blocked the user. She blocked the user. Block pop-up ads. Block pop-up ads.
To allow.
Allow access to your location. Allow access to your location. He allowed the website to use cookies. He allowed the website to use cookies. Allow notifications from this app. Allow notifications from this app.
Server.
The server is down. The server is down. Connect to the server. Connect to the server. The server stores all the data. The server stores all the data.
Cloud.
Save your files to the cloud. Save your files to the cloud. The cloud backup is automatic. The cloud backup is automatic. Access your files from the cloud. Access your files from the cloud.
Database.
The database contains user information. The database contains user information. Query the database for results. Query the database for results. Back up the database regularly. Back up the database regularly.
Firewall.
The firewall blocks unauthorized access. The firewall blocks unauthorized access. Configure your firewall settings. Configure your firewall settings. The firewall protects your computer. The firewall protects your computer.
Router.
The router connects devices to the Internet. The router connects devices to the Internet. Restart the router to fix connection issues. Restart the router to fix connection issues. The Wi-Fi router is in the living room. The Wi-Fi router is in the living room.
Modem.
The modem connects to your internet provider. The modem connects to your internet provider. Check if the modem is working. Check if the modem is working. Unplug the modem and plug it back in. Unplug the modem and plug it back in.
Hardware.
The hardware needs to be upgraded. The hardware needs to be upgraded. Check your computer's hardware. Check your computer's hardware. The hardware is compatible with the software. The hardware is compatible with the software.
Processor.
The processor is very fast. The processor is very fast. Upgrade your processor for better performance. Upgrade your processor for better performance. The processor handles all calculations. The processor handles all calculations.
Memory.
The computer has 8 gigabytes of memory. The computer has 8 gigabytes of memory. Add more memory to improve speed. Add more memory to improve speed. The memory is almost full. The memory is almost full.
Storage.
Check your storage space. Check your storage space. The storage is running low. The storage is running low. Cloud storage is convenient. Cloud storage is convenient.
Hard drive.
The hard drive stores all your files. The hard drive stores all your files. The hard drive is full. The hard drive is full. Back up your hard drive regularly. Back up your hard drive regularly.
USB drive.
Plug in the USB drive. Plug in the USB drive. Save the file to the USB drive. Save the file to the USB drive. Eject the USB drive safely. Eject the USB drive safely.
Printer.
The printer is out of ink. The printer is out of ink. Connect the printer to your computer. Connect the printer to your computer. The printer is not responding. The printer is not responding.
Scanner.
Use the scanner to digitize documents. Use the scanner to digitize documents. The scanner creates digital copies. The scanner creates digital copies. Scan the photo with the scanner. Scan the photo with the scanner.
Headphones.
Put on your headphones to listen. Put on your headphones to listen. The headphones are wireless. The headphones are wireless. Plug in your headphones. Plug in your headphones.
Speakers.
Turn on the speakers. Turn on the speakers. The speakers are too loud. The speakers are too loud. Connect external speakers for better sound. Connect external speakers for better sound.
Microphone.
Speak into the microphone. Speak into the microphone. The microphone is not working. The microphone is not working. Test your microphone before the call. Test your microphone before the call.
Webcam.
Turn on your webcam for the video call. Turn on your webcam for the video call. The webcam is built into the laptop. The webcam is built into the laptop. Cover the webcam for privacy. Cover the webcam for privacy.
Notification.
You have a new notification. You have a new notification. Turn off notifications for this app. Turn off notifications for this app. Check your notifications. Check your notifications.
Error.
An error occurred. An error occurred. Fix the error before continuing. Fix the error before continuing. The error message is confusing. The error message is confusing.
Bug.
There's a bug in the program. There's a bug in the program. Report the bug to the developers. Report the bug to the developers. The bug causes the app to crash. The bug causes the app to crash.
Crash.
The program had a crash. The program had a crash. The crash lost all my work. The crash lost all my work. Prevent system crashes by saving often. Prevent system crashes by saving often.
To restart.
Restart your computer to apply changes. Restart your computer to apply changes. She restarted the browser. She restarted the browser. Restart the program if it freezes. Restart the program if it freezes.
To shut down.
Shut down the computer when done. Shut down the computer when done. He shut down the system. He shut down the system. Shut down properly to avoid data loss. Shut down properly to avoid data loss.
To boot.
Boot up your computer. Boot up your computer. The computer booted slowly. The computer booted slowly. Boot from the USB drive. Boot from the USB drive.
To eject.
Eject the USB drive safely. Eject the USB drive safely. She ejected the disk. She ejected the disk. Eject before unplugging. Eject before unplugging.
To plug in.
Plug in the charger. Plug in the charger. He plugged in the USB cable. He plugged in the USB cable. Plug in your headphones. Plug in your headphones.
To unplug.
Unplug the device when finished. Unplug the device when finished. She unplugged the printer. She unplugged the printer. Unplug to save energy. Unplug to save energy.
To charge.
Charge your laptop battery. Charge your laptop battery. He charged his phone. He charged his phone. Charge the device overnight. Charge the device overnight.
To switch.
Switch between applications. Switch between applications. She switched to a different browser. She switched to a different browser. Switch tabs quickly. Switch tabs quickly.
To toggle.
Toggle full screen mode. Toggle full screen mode. He toggled the Wi-Fi on and off. He toggled the Wi-Fi on and off. Toggle between light and dark mode. Toggle between light and dark mode.
To undo.
Undo the last action. Undo the last action. She undid the changes. She undid the changes. Undo to restore the previous version. Undo to restore the previous version.
To redo.
Redo what you just undid. Redo what you just undid. He redid the formatting. He redid the formatting. Redo the last command. Redo the last command.
To rename.
Rename the file. Rename the file. She renamed the folder. She renamed the folder. Rename it to something more descriptive. Rename it to something more descriptive.
To move.
Move the file to another folder. Move the file to another folder. He moved the window to the side. He moved the window to the side. Move the cursor to the top. Move the cursor to the top.
To organize.
Organize your files into folders. Organize your files into folders. She organized her desktop icons. She organized her desktop icons. Organize your bookmarks by category. Organize your bookmarks by category.
To sort.
Sort files by date. Sort files by date. He sorted the emails by sender. He sorted the emails by sender. Sort alphabetically. Sort alphabetically.
To filter.
Filter the search results. Filter the search results. She filtered the emails by date. She filtered the emails by date. Filter to show only important messages. Filter to show only important messages.
To pin.
Pin the tab to keep it open. Pin the tab to keep it open. She pinned the app to the taskbar. She pinned the app to the taskbar. Pin important files for quick access. Pin important files for quick access.
To unpin.
Unpin the tab when done. Unpin the tab when done. He unpinned the application. He unpinned the application. Unpin from the start menu. Unpin from the start menu.
To lock.
Lock your screen when away. Lock your screen when away. She locked her computer. She locked her computer. Lock the file to prevent changes. Lock the file to prevent changes.
To unlock.
Unlock your computer with your password. Unlock your computer with your password. He unlocked the file. He unlocked the file. Unlock to make edits. Unlock to make edits.
To sign in.
Sign in to your account. Sign in to your account. She signed in to the website. She signed in to the website. Sign in with your email and password. Sign in with your email and password.
To sign out.
Sign out when finished. Sign out when finished. He signed out of his account. He signed out of his account. Sign out for security. Sign out for security.
To register.
Register for a new account. Register for a new account. She registered on the website. She registered on the website. Register to access the content. Register to access the content.
To verify.
Verify your email address. Verify your email address. He verified his account. He verified his account. Verify the information before submitting. Verify the information before submitting.
To reset.
Reset your password. Reset your password. She reset the settings to default. She reset the settings to default. Reset the browser to fix issues. Reset the browser to fix issues.
To recover.
Recover your deleted files. Recover your deleted files. He recovered his account. He recovered his account. Recover data from the backup. Recover data from the backup.
To merge.
Merge the two documents. Merge the two documents. She merged the folders. She merged the folders. Merge cells in the spreadsheet. Merge cells in the spreadsheet.
To split.
Split the screen into two windows. Split the screen into two windows. He split the file into parts. He split the file into parts. Split the document into sections. Split the document into sections.
To duplicate.
Duplicate the file. Duplicate the file. She duplicated the folder. She duplicated the folder. Duplicate to create a backup copy. Duplicate to create a backup copy.
To archive.
Archive old emails. Archive old emails. He archived the project files. He archived the project files. Archive to save space. Archive to save space.
To unarchive.
Unarchive the email if needed. Unarchive the email if needed. She unarchived the files. She unarchived the files. Unarchive to restore access. Unarchive to restore access.
To tag.
Tag the photo with keywords. Tag the photo with keywords. He tagged the file for easy search. He tagged the file for easy search. Tag your contacts for organization. Tag your contacts for organization.
To rate.
Rate the app in the store. Rate the app in the store. She rated the website 5 stars. She rated the website 5 stars. Rate your experience. Rate your experience.
To comment.
Comment on the post. Comment on the post. He commented on the article. He commented on the article. Comment to share your thoughts. Comment to share your thoughts.
To like.
Like the post if you enjoyed it. Like the post if you enjoyed it. She liked the video. She liked the video. Like to show your support. Like to show your support.
To follow.
Follow this account for updates. Follow this account for updates. He followed the blog. He followed the blog. Follow to see more content. Follow to see more content.
To unfollow.
Unfollow if you don't want updates. Unfollow if you don't want updates. She unfollowed the account. She unfollowed the account. Unfollow to stop notifications. Unfollow to stop notifications.
To report.
Report the problem to support. Report the problem to support. She reported the spam email. She reported the spam email. Report bugs to the developers. Report bugs to the developers.
Account.
Create an account to get started. Create an account to get started. Log into your account. Log into your account. Manage your account settings. Manage your account settings.
Profile.
Update your profile information. Update your profile information. View her profile page. View her profile page. Edit your profile picture. Edit your profile picture.
Settings.
Open the settings menu. Open the settings menu. Change your privacy settings. Change your privacy settings. Adjust the display settings. Adjust the display settings.
Preferences.
Set your preferences. Set your preferences. Save your preferences. Save your preferences. Customize your preferences. Customize your preferences.
Theme.
Change the theme to dark mode. Change the theme to dark mode. Choose a color theme. Choose a color theme. Apply a new theme. Apply a new theme.
Wallpaper.
Set a new wallpaper. Set a new wallpaper. Change your desktop wallpaper. Change your desktop wallpaper. Download a beautiful wallpaper. Download a beautiful wallpaper.
Screenshot.
Take a screenshot of the error. Take a screenshot of the error. Save the screenshot to your desktop. Save the screenshot to your desktop. Share the screenshot with support. Share the screenshot with support.
Thumbnail.
The thumbnail shows a preview. The thumbnail shows a preview. Click on the thumbnail to view full size. Click on the thumbnail to view full size. The video thumbnail is attractive. The video thumbnail is attractive.
Preview.
See a preview before opening. See a preview before opening. The preview shows the first page. The preview shows the first page. Check the preview before printing. Check the preview before printing.
Format.
Change the file format. Change the file format. Save in PDF format. Save in PDF format. The document format is incorrect. The document format is incorrect.
Extension.
Install a browser extension. Install a browser extension. The file extension is .pdf. The file extension is .pdf. Enable the extension in settings. Enable the extension in settings.
Plugin.
Install a plugin for more features. Install a plugin for more features. The plugin adds new functionality. The plugin adds new functionality. Update your plugins regularly. Update your plugins regularly.
Widget.
Add a weather widget to your desktop. Add a weather widget to your desktop. The widget displays the time. The widget displays the time. Customize the widget settings. Customize the widget settings.
Backup.
Create a backup of your files. Create a backup of your files. Restore from the backup. Restore from the backup. The backup is stored in the cloud. The backup is stored in the cloud.
Restore.
Perform a system restore. Perform a system restore. The restore point was created yesterday. The restore point was created yesterday. Use the restore to fix problems. Use the restore to fix problems.
Security.
Improve your online security. Improve your online security. Check your security settings. Check your security settings. The security update is important. The security update is important.
Privacy.
Protect your privacy online. Protect your privacy online. Review your privacy settings. Review your privacy settings. Respect others' privacy. Respect others' privacy.
Permission.
Grant permission to access files. Grant permission to access files. Request permission before installing. Request permission before installing. Check app permissions in settings. Check app permissions in settings.
Access.
Request access to the folder. Request access to the folder. Deny access to unauthorized users. Deny access to unauthorized users. You need access to view this file. You need access to view this file.
Bandwidth.
The bandwidth is limited. The bandwidth is limited. Check your internet bandwidth. Check your internet bandwidth. High bandwidth allows faster downloads. High bandwidth allows faster downloads.
Authentication.
Two-factor authentication is more secure. Two-factor authentication is more secure. Complete the authentication process. Complete the authentication process. The authentication failed. The authentication failed.
Encryption.
Use encryption to protect data. Use encryption to protect data. The file uses strong encryption. The file uses strong encryption. Enable encryption for sensitive files. Enable encryption for sensitive files.
Malware.
Protect against malware. Protect against malware. Scan for malware regularly. Scan for malware regularly. The antivirus detected malware. The antivirus detected malware.
Spam.
Mark the email as spam. Mark the email as spam. The spam folder is full. The spam folder is full. Filter out spam messages. Filter out spam messages.
Phishing.
Beware of phishing emails. Beware of phishing emails. The phishing attempt was blocked. The phishing attempt was blocked. Report phishing scams. Report phishing scams.
Bonus examples.
I use my computer every day for work. I use my computer every day for work. Click on the link to open the website. Click on the link to open the website. Type your password in the box. Type your password in the box. Search for information on Google. Search for information on Google. I like to browse the internet in my free time. I like to browse the internet in my free time. Scroll down to see more content. Scroll down to see more content. Download the file to your computer. Download the file to your computer. Upload your photo to the website. Upload your photo to the website. Open a new browser window. Open a new browser window. Close the tab when you're finished. Close the tab when you're finished. Save your work frequently to avoid losing it. Save your work frequently to avoid losing it. Delete the unwanted files from your computer. Delete the unwanted files from your computer. Copy and paste the text into the document. Copy and paste the text into the document. Select all the files you want to move. Select all the files you want to move. Drag the file to the folder and drop it. Drag the file to the folder and drop it. Refresh the page to see the latest updates. Refresh the page to see the latest updates. Bookmark this page so you can find it later. Bookmark this page so you can find it later. Share this link with your friends on social media. Share this link with your friends on social media. Print the document when you're ready. Print the document when you're ready. Zoom in to see the details more clearly. Zoom in to see the details more clearly. Navigate to the home page using the menu. Navigate to the home page using the menu. Log into your account with your username and password. Log into your account with your username and password. Don't forget to log out when you're done. Don't forget to log out when you're done. The laptop battery needs to be charged. The laptop battery needs to be charged. The keyboard has some keys that don't work. The keyboard has some keys that don't work. Move the mouse to move the cursor on the screen. Move the mouse to move the cursor on the screen. The monitor displays everything you see on the computer. The monitor displays everything you see on the computer. The screen is too bright, I need to adjust it. The screen is too bright, I need to adjust it. Visit this website for more information about the topic. Visit this website for more information about the topic. The webpage took a long time to load. The webpage took a long time to load. Which browser do you prefer to use? Which browser do you prefer to use? I have too many tabs open in my browser. I have too many tabs open in my browser. Click on the link to go to another page. Click on the link to go to another page. Enter the URL in the address bar at the top. Enter the URL in the address bar at the top. Use a search engine like Google to find what you need. Use a search engine like Google to find what you need. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Make sure your password is strong and secure. I forgot my username. Can you help me? I forgot my username. Can you help me? Check your email inbox for new messages. Check your email inbox for new messages. Save the file in a folder where you can find it easily. Save the file in a folder where you can find it easily. Create a new folder to organize your documents. Create a new folder to organize your documents. The download is complete. You can open the file now. The download is complete. You can open the file now. The upload failed. Please try again. The upload failed. Please try again. The internet connection is very slow today. The internet connection is very slow today. Connect to the Wi-Fi network to access the internet. Connect to the Wi-Fi network to access the internet. Click on the icon to open the application. Click on the icon to open the application. Press the button to submit your form. Press the button to submit your form. Open the menu to see all available options. Open the menu to see all available options. Minimize the window to see what's behind it. Minimize the window to see what's behind it. Organize the icons on your desktop. Organize the icons on your desktop. The cursor changes shape when you hover over a link. The cursor changes shape when you hover over a link. Use the scroll bar to move up and down the page. Use the scroll bar to move up and down the page. I saved this website in my bookmarks. I saved this website in my bookmarks. Clear your browsing history to protect your privacy. Clear your browsing history to protect your privacy. Clear the cache to fix loading problems. Clear the cache to fix loading problems. The website asked me to accept cookies. The website asked me to accept cookies. A pop-up window appeared on my screen. A pop-up window appeared on my screen. I use an ad blocker to block advertisements. I use an ad blocker to block advertisements. Make sure you have antivirus software to protect against viruses. Make sure you have antivirus software to protect against viruses. Update your software regularly for security. Update your software regularly for security. I downloaded a new application for editing photos. I downloaded a new application for editing photos. The program crashed and I lost my work. The program crashed and I lost my work. Restart your computer if it's running slowly. Restart your computer if it's running slowly. Shut down the computer properly to avoid data loss. Shut down the computer properly to avoid data loss. The computer takes a long time to boot up. The computer takes a long time to boot up. Eject the USB drive safely before unplugging it. Eject the USB drive safely before unplugging it. Plug in your charger to keep the battery full. Plug in your charger to keep the battery full. Unplug the device when you're finished using it. Unplug the device when you're finished using it. I need to charge my laptop before the meeting. I need to charge my laptop before the meeting. Switch between different applications using Alt+Tab. Switch between different applications using Alt+Tab. Toggle the Wi-Fi on and off to reset the connection. Toggle the Wi-Fi on and off to reset the connection. Undo the last change you made to the document. Undo the last change you made to the document. Redo the action if you changed your mind. Redo the action if you changed your mind. Rename the file to something more descriptive. Rename the file to something more descriptive. Move the window to the other side of the screen. Move the window to the other side of the screen. Organize your files into folders by project. Organize your files into folders by project. Sort the emails by date to find the oldest ones. Sort the emails by date to find the oldest ones. Filter the search results to show only images. Filter the search results to show only images. Pin the important tab so it stays open. Pin the important tab so it stays open. Unpin the tab when you no longer need it. Unpin the tab when you no longer need it. Lock your screen when you step away from your desk. Lock your screen when you step away from your desk. Unlock your computer with your fingerprint. Unlock your computer with your fingerprint. Sign in to your account to access your files. Sign in to your account to access your files. Sign out of all devices for security. Sign out of all devices for security. Register for a new account to get started. Register for a new account to get started. Verify your email address to activate your account. Verify your email address to activate your account. Reset your password if you forgot it. Reset your password if you forgot it. Recover your deleted files from the recycle bin. Recover your deleted files from the recycle bin. Merge the two documents into one file. Merge the two documents into one file. Split the screen to work on two documents at once. Split the screen to work on two documents at once. Duplicate the folder to create a backup copy. Duplicate the folder to create a backup copy. Archive old emails to keep your inbox clean. Archive old emails to keep your inbox clean. Unarchive the email if you need to read it again. Unarchive the email if you need to read it again. Tag the photos with keywords for easy searching. Tag the photos with keywords for easy searching. Comment on the post to share your thoughts. Comment on the post to share your thoughts. Like the video if you found it helpful. Like the video if you found it helpful. Follow this account to see their latest updates. Follow this account to see their latest updates. Unfollow accounts that no longer interest you. Unfollow accounts that no longer interest you. Report the spam email to help improve filters. Report the spam email to help improve filters. Update your profile picture to show your current look. Update your profile picture to show your current look. Check your account settings to review your preferences. Check your account settings to review your preferences. Change the theme to dark mode for better night viewing. Change the theme to dark mode for better night viewing. Set a new wallpaper to personalize your desktop. Set a new wallpaper to personalize your desktop. Take a screenshot to capture what's on your screen. Take a screenshot to capture what's on your screen. Click on the thumbnail to see the full-size image. Click on the thumbnail to see the full-size image. Preview the document before printing to save paper. Preview the document before printing to save paper. Change the file format from Word to PDF. Change the file format from Word to PDF. Install a browser extension to block ads. Install a browser extension to block ads. Update your plugins to ensure compatibility. Update your plugins to ensure compatibility. Add a weather widget to your desktop for quick updates. Add a weather widget to your desktop for quick updates. Create a backup of your important files regularly. Create a backup of your important files regularly. Perform a system restore if your computer has problems. Perform a system restore if your computer has problems. Improve your online security by using strong passwords. Improve your online security by using strong passwords. Protect your privacy by reviewing your settings. Protect your privacy by reviewing your settings. Grant permission to the app to access your photos. Grant permission to the app to access your photos. Request access to the shared folder from the administrator. Request access to the shared folder from the administrator. Use two-factor authentication for better account security. Use two-factor authentication for better account security. Enable encryption to protect sensitive information. Enable encryption to protect sensitive information. Protect your computer against malware with antivirus software. Protect your computer against malware with antivirus software. Mark suspicious emails as spam to filter them out. Mark suspicious emails as spam to filter them out. Beware of phishing attempts in your email inbox. Beware of phishing attempts in your email inbox. Check your internet bandwidth to see your connection speed. Check your internet bandwidth to see your connection speed. Install the latest software updates for better performance. Install the latest software updates for better performance. Uninstall programs you no longer use to free up space. Uninstall programs you no longer use to free up space. Upgrade your computer's memory for faster processing. Upgrade your computer's memory for faster processing. Format the USB drive before using it for the first time. Format the USB drive before using it for the first time. Compress large files to reduce their size for emailing. Compress large files to reduce their size for emailing. Extract the files from the zip archive to your desktop. Extract the files from the zip archive to your desktop. Backup your data to the cloud for safe storage. Backup your data to the cloud for safe storage. Restore your files from the backup after the crash. Restore your files from the backup after the crash. Sync your files across all your devices automatically. Sync your files across all your devices automatically. Stream videos online instead of downloading them. Stream videos online instead of downloading them. Pause the video if you need to take a break. Pause the video if you need to take a break. Play the music while you work to stay focused. Play the music while you work to stay focused. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your microphone during the video call to reduce background noise. Mute your micro Minimize all windows to see your desktop background. Minimize all windows to see your desktop background. Maximize the browser window to see more content. Maximize the browser window to see more content. Enable notifications to stay updated on important messages. Enable notifications to stay updated on important messages. Disable pop-ups in your browser settings. Disable pop-ups in your browser settings. Configure your email account with the correct server settings. Configure your email account with the correct server settings. Connect your printer to the computer via USB cable. Connect your printer to the computer via USB cable. Forward the email to your colleague who needs the information. Forward the email to your colleague who needs the information. Reply to the message as soon as you read it. Reply to the message as soon as you read it. Attach the document to your email before sending. Attach the document to your email before sending. Block unwanted users from contacting you. Block unwanted users from contacting you. Allow the website to use cookies for a better experience. Allow the website to use cookies for a better experience. The server is experiencing high traffic right now. The server is experiencing high traffic right now. Save your files to the cloud for easy access anywhere. Save your files to the cloud for easy access anywhere. Query the database to find the information you need. Query the database to find the information you need. Configure your firewall to block unauthorized access. Configure your firewall to block unauthorized access. Restart the router if your Wi-Fi connection is unstable. Restart the router if your Wi-Fi connection is unstable. Check if the modem is properly connected to the internet. Check if the modem is properly connected to the internet. Upgrade your hardware to improve your computer's performance. Upgrade your hardware to improve your computer's performance. The processor handles all the calculations in your computer. The processor handles all the calculations in your computer. Add more memory to your computer if it's running slowly. Add more memory to your computer if it's running slowly. Check your storage space before downloading large files. Check your storage space before downloading large files. The hard drive stores all your files and programs. The hard drive stores all your files and programs. Plug in the USB drive to transfer files to your computer. Plug in the USB drive to transfer files to your computer. The printer is out of ink, so you need to replace the cartridge. The printer is out of ink, so you need to replace the cartridge. Use the scanner to create digital copies of your documents. Use the scanner to create digital copies of your documents. Put on your headphones to listen to music without disturbing others. Put on your headphones to listen to music without disturbing others. Turn on the speakers to hear the audio from your computer. Turn on the speakers to hear the audio from your computer. Speak into the microphone clearly during the video call. Speak into the microphone clearly during the video call. Turn on your webcam so others can see you during the meeting. Turn on your webcam so others can see you during the meeting. You have a new notification from your email app. You have a new notification from your email app. An error occurred while trying to save the file. An error occurred while trying to save the file. There's a bug in the program that causes it to crash. There's a bug in the program that causes it to crash. The program had a crash and I lost all my unsaved work. The program had a crash and I lost all my unsaved work.